Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring this part to a point and this part to a point and just slightly round this over, probably remove most of this, and go from there. Alright, now I'm going to take it over to the belt sander. I probably could have got it there, but I could just fine tune it a little more on the belt sander. And this is still a little flat, at least on the lathe it centers it up all nice and gets it all nice and round, so I don't want to lose that. So I'm going to keep the sides flat, and I will grind the bottom flat and put the belly hook in. So that's it right there. I'm going to move to the belt sander.